What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about QSP Quantstamp, which has pumped up 35% in the last 24 hours, making it just under the 2 cents target. As you can see guys, most of the pump did take place very early this morning. As soon as it hit about the 10th of October, which is today, it literally started to pump up in value, going from about 0.014 all the way up to, let me see, yes, it did hit 2 cents earlier this morning, and it's fluctuating around the 2 cents target at the moment. So we're going to be going through, is it time to buy? Is it too late? Is it time to sell if you're on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? Looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also especially going into 2023 that's around the corner. Is this a crypto that you must have in your wallet, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website, and we can see in the last hour itself, not the last hour, in the last 24 hours, the market is down 1%. However, Quantstamp has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, managed to gain just about half a percentage. Over the last day, 35%. Over the week, 37%. And over the month, 3%. Guys, we can see it. In the short term, when you're looking at the daily and weekly chart, it looks like, yes, it's performing very well. It's doing quite well. However, when you look at the monthly chart, we can see for the past 4 weeks, it's been doing nothing but dropping in value quite consistently, all up until earlier today, where it pumped up in value out of nowhere. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 3,200% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.1 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Quantstamp. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype recently, with more and more investors as well as more sellers. We've got a massive 89% buy against 11% sell. So yeah, we definitely got a lot of money being invested into Quantstamp at the moment. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Quantstamp at 0.01582. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value at just under 2 cents at 0.01958, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting an overall drop on Quantstamp. However, it's not going to be a major drop or a huge price decrease or anything like that. As previously mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Quantstamp. I am expecting it to overall drop in value, but in a slow and steady pace, potentially dropping below the 0.017 cents target is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean we're not going to see any more green candles. Of course we are. It's going to be volatile. We may even see it go above the 2 cents target once again over the next 2-3 hours, and then drop back down in value. So do expect it to be quite volatile, but overall drop in value. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit, well, we've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, I'm expecting an overall fluctuation around 0.019 to 2 cents target towards the end of the week on Quantstamp. However, I am again expecting it to be volatile. I am expecting it to drop down to about 0.015 as well, and then picking back up to about 2 cents. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so fluctuating at the current price range over the next 7 to 8 days. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Not looking too steep, they are just about slanting towards a positive direction. So guys, an overall increase in value is expected over the long run. So let's say late November, early December, we should expect the crypto to be fluctuating over the 2 cents target. And again guys, these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Quantstamp. But of course, anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, so far so good guys. Do expect the crypto to be quite volatile, so let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as you can see, there isn't much we can do. The only reason for that is not only are we trading in the red zone, but we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone. And let's have a look here. Since about May, earlier in this month in May, we dropped into the red zone and we've just been getting worse and worse and worse over time. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 4 cents in target, requiring us to go for another 100 to 150% increase, which I'm not expecting from Quantstamp anytime soon. So more or less, it's very likely for the rest of the year, we are very likely that we're going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction towards the green zone, that's all that matters. But yeah, so far we are going to be stuck in the red zone. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Quantstamp. Guys, I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around this crypto. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations are. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of comments around Quantstamp, especially over the last 12 to 14 hours when this crypto obviously started to pump up in value. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.